Grandstream's portfolio of routers provides the ideal option for all environments, including enterprises, small to medium-sized businesses, home offices, and remote workers. Grandstream routers are made to power smart offices, home automation, 4K HD streaming, video conferences, web meetings, online gaming, and more. Let's take a look at Grandstream's family of routers, which include wireless, wired, designed and optimized for small businesses, home offices, and residential users. The GWN 7052 and GWN 7062 offer high-performance routing, built-in firewall security, the latest Wi-Fi technology, support for various VPN services, mesh networking, and more. The GWN 7062 and GWN 7052 provide multiple gigabit WAN ports, while the GWN 7052F adds a gigabit SFP port that can be configured as either WAN or LAN based on your need. Ideal for enterprises and small to medium businesses, the GWN 7001, GWN 7002, and GWN 7003 are multi-WAN gigabit VPN routers that allow businesses to build comprehensive wired, wireless, and VPN networks for one or many locations. This series offers multiple gigabit Ethernet ports, comprehensive built-in firewall security, support for various VPN services, advanced content filtering, application and protocol monitoring, hostile attack protection, and more. The GWN 7001, GWN 7002, and GWN 7003 include 6, 4, or 9 gigabit Ethernet ports, respectively. The GWN 7002 and GWN 7003 also include 2 SFP ports and 2 PoE out ports. All ports can be configured as either WAN or LAN. With Grandstream routers, you can create powerful, smart, and secure networks for any environment, and they are easy to deploy and manage thanks to our free GWN cloud management platform. Look no further than Grandstream for the best in network communication solutions.